Here I have Renault Captur. Let me show you how to change the balance and fader on the following car. So if you would like to adjust the audio balance and fader, let's use the following steps. At the very beginning, let's use this music button right here, then select this adjustment button at the right corner. And now let's select here balance and fader. So let me tap it here. As you can see here, you can use the centered, as I do it right now, front, or you can tap manual. And now you can manually adjust the bass boost by using this switcher, for example, to the driver's seat, passenger seat, or to the back of seats. You can also tap center to just reset and use the default settings. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.